In a world where time never stops and competition knows no bounds, the enigmatic force of artificial intelligence, AI, is silently revolutionizing businesses and reshaping industries. AI's extraordinary capabilities to automate mundane tasks, process colossal data sets with lightning speed, and craft personalized customer experiences make it the superhero businesses need to thrive in the fast-paced and competitive landscape. In this video, we will embark on an immersive journey into the realm of possibilities, exploring 7 AI tools to boost your business. These cutting-edge tools harness the mystique of AI, where the ordinary vanishes and the extraordinary becomes reality. Get ready to embrace the power of AI and discover how these game-changing tools can propel your business to new heights. Let's start with Photor, the best online AI photo editor. Photor goes beyond ordinary photo editing tools by utilizing advanced AI technology to effortlessly enhance your visual content. From removing backgrounds to applying AI effects, Photor can turn your ordinary pictures into stunning works of art. What's more, Photor's AI-driven graphic design tools cover everything from social media graphics to professional logos and captivating presentations. With an intuitive interface and support for multiple file formats, Photor ensures both novice users and experienced designers can create professional quality designs seamlessly on various devices. By implementing Photor's AI photo editor, you can elevate your visual content and make a lasting impact on your audience. Next, meet Jasper AI, the unrivaled AI writing assistant. Jasper sets new standards in content generation by leveraging its impressive AI capabilities. From crafting phrases and paragraphs to composing entire documents, Jasper's prowess is astonishing, capable of crafting a 1,500-word article in under 15 minutes. The AI writing assistant comes with over 11,000 free fonts and 2,500 writing styles, catering to diverse linguistic preferences across more than 25 languages. Its intuitive interface facilitates a seamless writing experience, while its long-form writing assistant supports pieces exceeding 1,000 words. Furthermore, intelligent text analysis enhances Jasper's adaptability, making it a valuable tool for businesses seeking to optimize their content creation process. By implementing Jasper AI, you can streamline your content generation and create engaging written pieces in a fraction of the time. When it comes to audio content, Murph, the best AI voice generator, is your game changer. Murph creates lifelike voiceovers from text, offering engaging experiences for videos, podcasts, and customer service lines. With its vast library of over 100 AI voices across multiple languages, Murph enables you to personalize your audio content with expressive emotional speaking styles, adding a human-like touch to your creations. Moreover, Murph supports both audio and text inputs, providing flexibility for different types of content. Its AI voiceover studio allows customization, enabling you to fine-tune tone and accents to align with your branding needs. Implementing Murph in your audio content creation process can elevate your content and create impactful connections with your audience through authentic voiceovers. Maximize your meeting efficiency with Firefly's AI, the best AI meeting assistant. Firefly's AI streamlines meetings by accurately transcribing them and capturing essential action items. By leveraging its advanced speech recognition and natural language processing capabilities, Firefly's AI transforms your meetings into productive sessions, driving actionable outcomes. What sets Firefly's AI apart is its self-updating knowledge base derived from voice conversations, empowering better-informed decisions and promoting knowledge sharing within your organization. Seamless integration with popular collaboration apps enhances teamwork and maximizes productivity across teams. By implementing Firefly's AI in your meeting processes, you can optimize communication, improve decision-making, and unlock hidden insights from your meetings. Replica AI stands out as a remarkable AI virtual companion, designed to engage in meaningful conversations with users. Unlike traditional chatbots, Replica AI focuses on building emotional connections and providing companionship. Through natural language processing and machine learning algorithms, Replica AI learns from interactions with users, adapting its responses to match individual personalities and preferences. This AI companion can be a valuable asset for businesses looking to improve mental well-being and productivity among employees. As employees engage with Replica AI, they can share thoughts, express feelings, and receive thoughtful responses, promoting a positive and supportive work environment. Moreover, Replica AI's data-driven insights can offer valuable feedback on employee sentiments, allowing businesses to implement targeted strategies for employee satisfaction and well-being. With Replica AI, businesses can foster a sense of belonging and create a more empathetic workplace. Now, let's dive into Pictory, the best AI video generator. Pictory harnesses the power of AI to transform text-based content into captivating videos with remarkable ease. By analyzing your text, Pictory automatically generates visuals, animations, and transitions, eliminating the need for extensive video editing skills. The result is professional quality video content suitable for marketing, training, product demonstrations, and more. What's truly impressive is Pictory's extensive library of over 3 million video clips, providing a vast array of visuals to enrich your video creations. Pictory also allows for crystal-clear narration through one's voice or AI-generated narration, adding a human-like touch and authenticity to your videos. By implementing Pictory, you can effortlessly produce visually stunning videos and effectively engage your audience with compelling visuals. Last but not least, meet Tidio, the best AI chatbot and live chat tool. Tidio delivers personalized customer experiences through its AI-powered chatbot and live chat capabilities. It provides real-time assistance, handles frequently asked questions, and collects valuable feedback from customers, all while offering prompt and accurate responses. By reducing the workload of your support teams, Tidio allows them to focus on more complex inquiries and strategic tasks, ultimately fostering positive customer relationships. Tidio's user-friendly interface allows businesses to create customizable sales programs without the need for coding expertise. Additionally, intelligent analytics monitor team performance, ensuring efficient workload distribution and maximizing productivity. Implementing Tidio in your customer support process can significantly enhance your customer service and improve customer satisfaction. The business world can leverage the use of AI in various ways to gain a competitive edge, improve efficiency, and unlock new opportunities. Here you had some of the key ways businesses can harness the power of AI. Incorporating AI into business operations requires careful planning, adequate data management, and a focus on ethical AI practices. When implemented strategically, AI can revolutionize how businesses operate, unlocking new efficiencies and driving growth in the AI-driven economy. In conclusion, with these powerful AI solutions at your disposal, the future of business is in your hands. By implementing these cutting-edge technologies, you can streamline operations, enhance customer engagement, and drive unprecedented levels of productivity. Embrace the AI-powered future and propel your ventures to new heights of success. Welcome to the future of business, where AI transforms possibilities into realities.